Do you sneeze as soon as you wake up in the morning? You're not alone. And no, it's not because you're catching cold. The real reason is actually fascinating. Throughout the night, our nose works like a tiny air filter. Dust, pollen, and tiny particles in our bedroom settle inside the nose while we sleep. During sleep, our nervous system relaxes, so the sneeze reflex becomes weak. But when we wake up, the brain becomes alert again and it switches on the sneeze reflex. So, the moment our body notices the dust build up, it hits the cleanup button and achoo! We sneeze to flush everything out. For some people, early morning bright sunlight can also trigger sneezing. This is called the photic sneeze reflex. Around 1 out of 3 people have it. So, sneezing early morning is actually your body's natural cleaning process, keeping your nose fresh before you start the day.